In this video, I'm going to show you how to check risk tolerance in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Start from your Origin dashboard and tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. This is where you can manage your personal profile and financial preferences. From the Settings menu, go to Profile Settings. This section contains your personal financial information, including your investment preferences and planning settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Risk Profile section. This is where Origin evaluates your comfort level with investment risk based on your answers. Open the risk profile, and you will see a short set of questions related to your financial goals, investment timeline, and how comfortable you are with market ups and downs. These questions help determine your overall risk tolerance level. Review your current answers or update them if your financial situation or goals have changed. Once you are done, save your responses so Origin can adjust your investment recommendations and portfolio insights accordingly. This helps the platform better align your investments with your personal risk level, whether you prefer conservative, moderate, or aggressive strategies. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.